Okay, let's take a look at a word problem in regards to age. So here we have Tanya is 12 years older than Leah. And then 3 years ago, Tanya was 5 times as old as Leah. How old are they now? Okay, so let's start by defining what X or so what the variables are. So we're going to start with our let statements. So let T represent Tanya's age and let um, L represent Leia's age. Okay, so now we're going to look at the information and we're also going to have to decide whether we're going to let T and L represent their age now or age later. Okay, you can do it both different ways. You can do T represent their age today or T represents their age 3 years ago. It really is up to you. If you do it for 3 years ago, then you have to adjust at the end. Okay, so I'm going to start by creating a little chart. And I'm gonna write Leah and Tanya. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do so let's look. Tanya, so Tanya is 12 years older than Leah. So in that case, the age difference really doesn't matter how much time has passed or whether it's future or present. There's always the same age difference. So my brother and I are 2 years apart. We've been 2 years apart since the day he was born. We were 2 years apart 5 years ago. We're going to be 2 years apart in 20 years. So age difference doesn't matter. Like it doesn't change. You're always that much age difference away from. They're always going to be 12 years apart. Okay. So let's start with the first equation here. And it says Tanya is 12 years older than Leah. So Tanya is the older one, and she's Leah's age plus 12. Okay. So whatever Leah is, Tanya is 12 years older than that. Okay. So that's our one equation. And then we have to do another equation. It says 3 years ago. Okay. So um, to make things simple, we're gonna let Tn represent Tanya's age 3 years ago. That way we don't have to adjust at the beginning. We can adjust later. It makes our math a little bit easier. Okay. So that let T represent Tanya's age 3 years ago, and let L represent Leah's age 3 years ago. Just makes our math a little bit easier to do it this way. Okay. In class, we looked at it making it now. So you have an example like that already in your notes or in classroom that you can refer to. So we're going to just approach this one a different way now. So 3 years ago, Tanya, Tanya was, so Tanya was 5 times as old as Leah. Oops, as Leah. So 5 times as old as Leah. So 5L. Okay. So that's our second equation. So now we have two equations. So where I see T in this equation, okay, I'm going to replace it with this 5L, okay, because I need one equation and one unknown. So 5L is equal to L plus 12, okay? So 5L minus L is 12. So this is 4L is 12 divided by 4 divided by 4. L is equal to 3. Okay. And remember, L is Leah's age 3 years ago. Okay. And then that means Tanya, Tanya is 5 times L. So Tanya is 5 times 3. T is 15. Okay. So, but the question wants to know how old are they now, right? So they want to know how old are they now. So this is their age 3 years ago. So in order to find their age now, you're gonna add 3. So you're gonna go Tanya and Leah, and whatever their age is, you're gonna add 3 to it. So therefore, Leah is 3 plus 3. So Leah is 6 years old. And Tanya is 15 plus 3. So Tanya's 18 years old. Now. Okay. So then a therefore statement. Oops, goodness. Then a therefore statement for communication marks. So therefore, Leah is 6 years old now, and Tanya is 18 years old now. Okay. And then the PDF of this will also be posted. Okay. So you can refer to the PDF as you're listening to the video.